As global demand for sustainability and clean energy intensifies, titanium dioxide is rapidly penetrating emerging sectors, particularly in new energy and photoelectric materials. Moving toward 2025 and beyond, innovative applications of TiO₂ are set to become primary drivers of green industry trends. Market intelligence indicates a massive surge in demand for functional titanium dioxide within the advanced materials sector. Notably, the global titanium dioxide photocatalyst market size is projected to reach $6.8 billion by 2030, commanding a steady compound annual growth rate of 6.0%. Meanwhile, its exceptional properties are accelerating adoption across cutting-edge photoelectric applications. As a versatile chemical raw material, high-purity titanium dioxide holds immense growth potential in green tech markets. For B2B industrial buyers, keeping pace with TiO₂ technological breakthroughs and integrating these advanced grades into product formulations is now critical to enhancing product performance and securing a competitive market advantage. Are you looking to optimize your sustainable product line? Partner with Liangjiang titanium dioxide today for premium chemical solutions and full technical specifications.